Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is part 3 of some of the restoration that I'm doing on the Ferrari 308. I'm gonna probably finish the seats today, take it out in the sun, remove the plastics, and then clean with the leathery cleaner that I received on the mail. And then also, I mentioned the last time that I was gonna try to use some leather black paint to paint some of the vinyl leather parts in the doors and in the center console. So I'm gonna do that today and see if it's a good result. I'll show you what product I'm using. I might do some touch-up paint on some of the scratches and things in the underbody here. So let's get on with it. All right, so let's look at the door. If you can see the black leather here, there's some areas that I would like to get better. This might not be leather, this might be vinyl, not sure. But you can see some of this is faded black. And this is the product I'm gonna use. It's called Leather Restore and Leather Color Repair Black. I'm gonna use a sponge to apply it. Actually, I tried just a little bit now, and I think I like the results. Let me show you. Yeah, you can see the difference here with one application versus how it was. I'm gonna continue applying this, couple of coats. It dries very fast, which is great. And I think that's gonna give a brand new shine to some of this worn out leather or vinyl. So let me get on with it and I'll tell you how it goes. So you can see here, I painted all this part. It's dry already. It just took about 5-10 minutes to dry. It looks really good. I don't think it's coming off or anything. And it gives, you know, a brand new shine. So I'm gonna proceed. I just did some masking here not to affect this panel. I might decide to do this one later, but I'm gonna do the whole trim behind it. And then I'm gonna do what surrounds, you know, the speaker area here. And that's gonna look much better. So let me get on with that and then I'll do the other side. Okay, I finished the driver's door. It looks 100 times better than it used to look. Even the speaker area there was faded grayish. Is now good black, all the trim. I might do this panel at some point. You can see it's got some marks. Somebody tried to restore some scratches at some point. But I'm very happy with it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the passenger door and then we're gonna get on with the seats. Okay guys, so I just took the plastic off one of the seats. I am very happy to inform that the leather feels a lot softer. It will be probably hard for me to describe on video, but I mean, only touching it, you can do the indentation. That wasn't like that before. It's definitely softening, and especially the headrest. It feels very, very much softer. I am very happy with this, honestly. And I'm assuming that in a couple of months, I'm gonna do another application. For now, what I'm gonna proceed to do is use the leathery cleaner, clean it up nicely, remove the oily residue so that I can use the car. But let me tell you, very happy, fully recommend it. And assume that with more applications it's gonna only get better. So let me go ahead and remove that with the cleaner and then do the driver's seat. Okay guys, so let me tell you, the seats look amazing. They feel softer. I'm very happy. I applied the cleaner. I'm gonna show it to you on camera in a minute, but just want to finish this series of videos telling you that I am very happy with the result. I'm gonna proceed now to do some black leather paint on the center console, some scratches that it has. See how the door looks amazing. I'm very happy with that too. So I'm gonna apply more leatheric maybe in a couple of months and repeat the process, but for now let me tell you, I'm super happy. They look great, and they're getting restored. I can certify that. So let me show you the products that I'm using. Okay, so the product that I use to remove the oily residue from the seats is the Leathery Pristine Clean. You use a soft cloth to apply it, and it really removes every oily residue. So that's great. The other thing I did is in here. Remember the last time I was doing some spray painting, black spray painting, and restoring some of the cover here. There were some smaller bits that I still wanted to restore. The spray paint would have been difficult, so I found this. It's the same product, Rust-Oleum touch-up paint, and I found it on Amazon. And then you can use this for some of the smaller bits here. This is coming off. A number of you have commented that you don't like it. Honestly, I don't like it either. I put it in because I didn't have the original OEM white emblem, but one of the subscribers, he sent me a place where I can buy the stencil, so I can do the painting myself in white as it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna do that in a future video, and stay tuned, because I'm gonna do some more restoring of some other parts around the car, and I'm gonna document that as much as I can. So I'm gonna leave it there, guys. Thank you for subscribing, and make sure you stay tuned for more videos on GarageBots. Take care. See you soon. Bye.